Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been exploring Florida Farm Bureau insurance for the past few weeks, and honestly, I decided to give it a try because I was curious about how a regional insurance provider handles both personal and commercial policies. As someone who runs an online business and also has personal insurance needs, I wanted to see if it could actually be a good fit for someone like me who values both coverage and decent customer service without feeling like I'm just a number. For store owners especially, having insurance that understands small businesses, not just massive corporations, can make a real difference. At its core, Florida Farm Bureau Insurance provides a mix of personal and commercial insurance options, everything from auto and home insurance to life and farm coverage. That range is useful if you're someone who wants to keep multiple policies under one roof instead of juggling different providers. It's really aimed at people looking for reliable protection with a community-focused approach, which can be reassuring if you prefer working with companies that emphasize long-term relationships. For agents and customers, it's about getting solid insurance without jumping through hoops like you might at bigger national companies, where support can sometimes feel impersonal or overly automated. When I signed up, the process was pretty smooth, which is always a good sign. It took me about 15 minutes to set up my initial policy, so there wasn't a lot of back and forth or confusing steps. I also got a sense of how their platform organizes information, which matters if you like having quick access without digging through menus. I liked being able to see my policy details, payment schedules, and claims info all in one place, especially if you're the kind of person who wants clarity and control over your expenses. I also called customer service a couple of times just to see how responsive they were, and the reps were surprisingly helpful. They actually explained things instead of just reading off a script, which made the conversations feel more human and less rushed. I tested filing a small claim, and while it wasn't instant, the follow-up was timely. I got updates without having to chase them constantly, which is important if you're busy running a store and don't have time to micromanage insurance issues. One limitation I noticed is that there's no full remote option for agents in certain roles, so if you're looking for a fully digital experience, it might feel a little old school. For people who prefer everything to be handled entirely online with minimal human interaction, that could be a downside. That said, some business owners might actually appreciate having more traditional support available when things get complicated. What I liked the most was the culture and the people. It really felt like they value relationships and flexibility, which can be refreshing compared to larger providers. The pros definitely include good benefits, family-friendly policies, and a community-oriented approach that seems designed to support members over the long term. On the flip side, the cons are a bit of outdated systems and the occasional limitations for remote work, which could matter depending on how tech-focused you are. Honestly though, for the coverage and support you get, it feels like a fair trade, especially if your priority is dependable insurance and responsive service rather than the flashiest technology. Overall, I'd recommend Florida Farm Bureau Insurance for anyone who wants solid, reliable coverage with a personal touch. If you're looking for a company that cares about its members and gives you clear access to your policies without making you feel lost in a giant corporation, this is a solid choice. That kind of clarity and support can be especially valuable for entrepreneurs who are already juggling a lot. Personally, I'm going to keep my policy here and explore adding a couple more coverages down the line, especially as my needs evolve. It's been a straightforward, trustworthy experience so far, and that peace of mind is something I really value.